first in Philips. We gave 46 people, we get the voluntary retirement. I fight for them also. I think 22 lakhs rupees we hand over to them so that their career should be good in future. So they are also happy, and we are also happy that young guys are doing definitely better job in those days of shifting the companies.
And obviously you saw the opportunity logistics company to play a more integrated role.
Yes.
Right? Because there were companies that were doing fragmented activities like freight forwarding or customs clearance and transportation. You came in with Abhi Logistics with an integrated solution. And did you feel that that was going to work, or it was just you just took a chance?
But that time I was hunting a quite big portfolio because in the company which is called as a Vishay component, the Philips now is called as a Vishay component. Vishay was a big American group who took over many big brands of electronics component worldwide. I think more than 100 brands they took over till date. So my observation was that the entire supply chain activity has been handled at different level. Like logistic concept for them is a truck wala is a logistics. There are different factors in supply chain. There is the freight forwarders, then the custom clearing agent, then the transportation activity, then actually guys those who are unloading, loading activity, raw material stores. So these are the different agencies those who are handling the supply chain areas. And if I can tell you the small example, if I want, even those days, if I want to send the shipment, then maybe the say 7-8 different freight forwarders are coming for 7 different cities or destinations. Rates are different, so ultimately the job of any import-export officer in the company is difficult. So in the Abhi days, we thought when we decided to start the Abhi, my first vision was that I should give the consolidated solution in one plate to the industry, so that they should not waste their time to handling all sort of things. They should focus on their core competency in manufacturing or assembly and selling the product in the market. All other supply chain activity can be handled by us. Whatever in the back end can be handled by my company. So today we are doing that.
And it obviously seems to have worked because the market has rewarded the solutions that you're bringing, and that has contributed to your rapid growth. Well, would you say it's purely the latent demand, that the need was so great that you have grown so fast? Or is there other things that contributed to your rapid growth?
Definitely demand was there in the market since long, because I will tell you, it was the neglected area. Since long, if any employee is not performing in the factory, they used to send in the store, godown madhe, store madhe tala patwa. So it is a neglected area. But ultimately this is all inventory. Raw material is in the form of, this is the money ultimately, the finished good is the money. And if the companies are not focusing in inventories, ultimately there are huge losses. Because if you see any manufactured product, in that raw material content is huge. So I think it is almost 80%, 80 or more than 80%, and you are neglecting that while handling. Then the result is that maybe your end product is also costly, your profit margins are gone down. So that factor is definitely important for any company nowadays. Only thing is that we need to sell this concept to big industries also, because many companies even still in India are not aware that such companies can give you a good solution. Ultimately then they are wasting a lot of time by searching transporter, searching manpower service provider, searching for different freight forwarder, CHA, that sort of thing.
So it almost seems like manufacturing is one of the oldest industries,
yes.
Logistics is one of the oldest industries, but still if you have the right perspective, think with a clear head what is actually a defect or what is not having the right angle or priority. Even within established industries, it looks like you can uncover opportunities. So it doesn't always have to be the hot Facebook or the next gaming application. Even in very boring, not so sexy industries, you're able to uncover huge opportunities, it looks like. And I want to take maybe just one last question directly from him, and then we'll open up to the floor. You have named your company Abi. And when we are naming our children, we think about what we'd like them to be. We don't have a choice of naming ourselves. But when you're naming a company, it's almost a reflection of who we think we are. So when you named the company Abi, what was your thought? What do you think Abi stands for? And how do you think that's a reflection of yourself as a person?
We started the company with the name Impact Logistics initially, and then Abi come into the picture. Actually, I was thinking there should be something in my company name that it should give the definition of my company, how we are. Around 7 years back, I visited in Calcutta, Belur Mutt, you heard about, so Ramakrishna Paramahansa and Vivekananda. I visited there, the Swami, those who are senior Swami who is actually running the Belur Mutt. I was just discussing with him, this is my company, what is your son name? He will say, I said my son name is Abhishek. Well, do you know what do you mean by Abhi? No sir. Swamiji malum nahi. Well, see, Abhi is a Mahabharata term, okay, where in Mahabharata war, when Krishna was telling lot of things to Arjuna, so that time the Abhi word has come. So Abhi means fearless. So you don't, if fear has gone, then you can do anything. So I thought this is a better name. That anyway, my nature is also that ki fear nahi pahiye, manamade fear nahi pahiye. So we added that Abhi into the company name. So how it comes as the Abhi Impact is the fearless impact. So how it started.
What he has not mentioned is that he has had threats on his life from union employees that has not had him back down from the challenge of doing what is right.
Yes.
So if you want to know more about that, you can catch him later in person. But I would like to open the floor up for questions from the audience.
What made you jump from, I think you mentioned the first company was Abi Logistics, which is a group company.
Yes.
Yeah. You mentioned that logistics was your first, the second one was events. How did you jump from from logistics to events?
As I told you, in the Pune festival, I already been connected to events. In the college days only, I was connected to events, and I am the person who always try to search for a reason to do the events. Even माझ्या घरात पण असं आहे की आम्ही निमित्त शोधतो की काय असेल तर पहिला भजनाचा प्रोग्राम करून टाक 10 लोकांना बोलून. So event is the activity who actually get people together at any means. It is a corporate event, house event, anything. And I basically like that particular approach to because ultimately event हे आनंद देण्यासाठी असतात. It gives you pleasure, it gives you some happiness when you meet people. So I think we should event and entertainment. And now we are also into the entertainment field. So that's how actually I started. I should do something in event and entertainment field also. Because it is exactly reverse from say go down to.
It's very difficult to start even one company and get it rolling properly on a production space.
Yes.
And you have started 5 companies.
Yes.
So obviously what happens is when you set up one production platform, you need to scale it up and lock it down so that it keeps rolling on its own, and then you can put your attention to the other company. Could you share some of those insights of how you face scalability issues and how you manage and got into a working level, stable level, where you would devote your attention to the next level?
See here actually for any company, the team building is very important. What sort of people you get or what sort of people you groom up, the structure. How you define the structure of any industry, even to start a small bakery also, okay, if you are not been studied properly, कुठल्या तरी एका कोपऱ्यात बेकरी टाकून दिली तर you will not get sale, okay, but ultimately if you know the proper location, proper people, proper guidance to them, it really matters. Like in my type of activity, if the first company is supply chain activity, see I have around 200 companies we are working with in Abi Impact. Okay, we have different setup. I have almost 2,000 employees now in Abi Impact. It has been scattered all across India at different locations. There are units where maybe 5-6 guys. There are locations where maybe